Hello everyone, welcome to Just Invest Today. And today we're going to be talking about Tesla selling equity. Man, this is crazy news. Tesla is actually looking into the equity market to sell around $5 billion worth of stock. And this is kind of a surprise to me, but not really because their stock has been going up 500%. And when your stock goes up so much, like I feel like Elon Musk right now wants to take advantage of this. Like this is like a perfect opportunity to take advantage of this because you got to remember that the S&P inclusion is just about to happen. So after this stock, he can get more money. Plus, what happens when he's in the S&P for Tesla? Like the stock might go even crazier. So it's good to get money out right now from the company because he knows it doesn't matter even if the stock is going to be going down now since the equity. But if you think about it, he knows that the S&P inclusion is just going to bump the stock right back up. So it's honestly perfect timing for Elon to do this. But I want to know what you guys think about this. Do you think Tesla needs a lot of money right now? Like, why is Elon doing this? Because remember, Tesla still makes a lot of the profit from basically selling EV credits to companies like Fiat Chrysler. When they sell these credits, a lot of these companies like Fiat don't meet regulations. They sell too many gas guzzler and their cars are all gas engines, so they have to buy EV credits to meet regulations from Tesla, and Tesla makes a lot of money from that. So I'm wondering if Elon's just doing this just because he's taking advantage of the stock market right now, and or is he doing this just because he actually really needs the money to actually benefit Tesla in the future? Those are completely two different things because if he's just looking at it as like a little advantage, then that's okay to do, right? Because it's five extra billion dollars, and you probably need that. But if he's desperate and he really needs this money, then that's a different story because that can actually send the stock shooting down if people find out that Tesla is not doing well, they're not becoming profitable, they're not doing what they need to do to become a growing company because you guys got to remember the PE of Tesla is out of this world. It's like almost at bubble territory. So like 1,200. So it's gonna take you 1,200 years to get your money back if you invested $1 into that stock. So what are your thoughts on this, guys? What do you think Elon Musk's mindset is right now? So companies only really go to the equity market when they need money because there's a different options if you could have generated money. He could have actually bought bonds or issued bonds. So they could have got the money through debt, but that wouldn't really make sense because their stock is so high and they're generating so much attention with their stock market and their stock price that looking for bonds wouldn't make sense. Issuing bonds wouldn't make sense. Looking at the equity market makes perfect sense. But the thing about this, it's gonna really dilute shareholders. So basically, your percentage of ownership of Tesla is gonna go down. So I guess Elon's seeing this and being like, okay, I'd rather do it this way because temporarily it's gonna send the stock shooting downwards, but as a company, we're gonna reap the reward of doing this. Guys, I'm not a shareholder of Tesla, but I want to own shares of Tesla. Even though I still know the stock is a speculative play, but still, you want to have a business like Tesla run by a really good genius like Elon. So I'm hoping maybe this can actually send the stock price shooting downwards, maybe get into a more realistic price, and then maybe we can, as an investing channel, actually buy shares of Tesla at reasonable levels. But I know that's like a far fetched scenario because that probably won't happen because people are still clamoring over EVs. Like even stocks like Neo are going crazy. Like any EV stock right now in the market is just going crazy. No matter what you do, doesn't matter if you put a product out there or just the potential of having an EV product in the market is sending stocks going crazy. Everything's going up, nothing's going down, and people are just overinflating EVs right now. So even though I want to buy shares of Tesla, I doubt I'll be able to get in it at any time soon because it's just the prices are just too high right now. So maybe this does something to the share price, maybe it doesn't. But who knows, right? So we can only hope for the best. Maybe it does get to that price that we need. I'm thinking around maybe $100 billion market cap, even though that's so far fetched because Tesla's at already $600 billion.
Elon Musk, what's their vision here? What are you trying to do to the car industry?
Well, trying to accelerate the advent of sustainable transport, so try to get the car industry to move towards electrification faster than they would otherwise move. So the fundamental value, long-term value that I see for Tesla is serving as a catalyst to accelerate the transition to sustainable transport.
So what do you guys think about Elon selling equity to shareholders and diluting shares of Tesla stock? What do you guys think about that? Is this a good idea, a bad idea? Does Elon need the money, or he's just doing it, taking advantage of the stock pricing and how high the stock is? Please leave a comment. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I'll get back to you guys. Peace.